Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a viral growth strategy for a Discord server in 2026. So if you want rapid organic growth, active members, and a community people keep sharing, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, choose a niche that already has strong online interest. So gaming, AI, anime, business, coding, and creator communities usually grow faster. Next, make your server stand out. Use unique branding, custom emojis, attractive banners, and a clear community purpose. So post content people want to share. Memes, clips, tips, exclusive resources, and trending discussions work really well. Now promote your server using short videos on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Short content can drive huge traffic quickly. So make people feel they are joining something valuable. Limited channels, exclusive events, and VIP roles increase curiosity. Next, reward members for inviting others. Give special roles, perks, or recognition for active invitations. So viral growth only works if the server feels alive. Post daily, host events, and encourage conversations constantly. Now collaborate with creators in your niche. Even small creators can bring highly engaged members into your community. Finally, track what works best. So, monitor engagement, invite sources, and member activity to improve your strategy over time. And that's how to create a viral Discord server growth strategy in 2026. Once you combine strong branding, viral content, and active engagement, your community can grow much faster organically. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Discord growth tutorials.